Dad's videoing you.
Sit down, Ty. You're seeing a messy face.
Mommy, I want chicken.
I want chicken.
I want chicken and applesauce.
What?
If you eat those, you get more.
Sit down.
2.
Harry, sit down.
2.
To start with.
You don't need a whole bunch. I think the serving size is only 2 anyway.
How long do you let them soak?
Oh, I just drop them in sometimes.
They may fall apart eventually.
Well, this chocolate. What's it this?
April Fools! What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong with your Oreos? Let's see your face, Jay. What's wrong with your Oreos?
It's very hot.
It's hot?
Yeah.
Those are hot.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Try one.
No.
Why?
You tried it. You use that one. Maybe that one's
That
better.
one's not hot.
Maybe that one's better. Is that one better?
No.
What's wrong with it?
It's all over hot.
Jay, try that one. Maybe that one's better.
No.
Try it. It might be.
It's not funny.
Come here.